Hey there gamers, Juan Tuerca here on Xeonau Gaming, bringing you a gameplay review of Tomorrow Corporation's Human Resource Machine. It's a deceptive little game that's stumbled into my inbox, simple in both its art style and presentation, but exceedingly complex once you get past the early levels of play. Some of you indie game aficionados might have a look and find the art style very familiar. That's because one of the founders of Tomorrow Corporation was also part of 2D Boy, who brought us the delightful world of Goo, one of the titles that really kicked off the whole indie dev gaming thing. A Human Resource Machine keeps the same style as both World of Goo and Tomorrow Corporation's other title, Little Inferno, both of them at the same time. Cute but disconcerting, you might say lovable but tinged with a mild cynicism. But enough of the philosophy, onto the game itself. And once you get past the simple character selection screen, it is straight into the nuts and bolts of the game. You play a new employee in the company, and to quote from Tomorrow Corporation's website, in each level your boss gives you a job. Automate it by programming your little office worker. If you succeed, you'll be promoted to the next level for another year of work in the vast office building. It sounds pretty simple, and for the first few levels it is. The game equips you with a basic set of commands or operations such as inbox, outbox, copy to, copy from, add and sub. You'll use these to get your worker to perform the task set to you by the boss, and with a little bit of trial and error and a lot of persistence, you hopefully come up with the answer or output the boss is waiting for. The first level simply will ask you to move things from the inbox to the outbox, but later levels are going to see you attempting to multiply numbers, filter out zeros, and even exercise your understanding of the Fibonacci sequence. Wow. But there's no hiding it, the game is going to teach you things whether you like it or not. It is a primer on coding, and as such could be a really helpful entry into the world of coding for younger players looking for, say, a career choice, or still naive to what goes on behind the scenes inside a piece of software. On the other hand, it is a very satisfying challenge for the older and more experienced players looking for something lightweight and a little different to occupy them in between sessions of whatever war, fantasy or driving game has your attention at the moment. The setting of the game is merely lightweight dressing around a series of problems progressively designed to introduce you to rudimentary coding and to exercise your ability to use logic and maths to this end. It's going to test you and frustrate you, but the satisfaction of solving a puzzle you've been stumped on for a while is real and palpable. My wife will attest to this. She has heard several triumphant shouts from the computer corner over the last week, accompanied by prerequisite waving of fists. But while on the subject, am I the only gamer here who, while playing a puzzle game, occasionally will yell out, "I am the smartest man alive"? Yeah, well, okay, how embarrassing. But the game is Human Resource Machine. It is brought to you by Tomorrow Corporation. You can get it on Steam or directly from the devs on their own website. This has been Juan Tuerca for Xeonau Gaming. See you next time.